JavaScript. It is one of my favorite language, and it is one of the favorite language of every developer. JavaScript is a programming language used for developing interactive web pages and applications. It's often used in conjunction with HTML and CSS to create dynamic and engaging user interfaces. Majorly web development related work is done with the help of JavaScript. Number 4. Ruby. Ruby is a beginner-friendly programming language that often used for web development. It has a simple and elegant syntax, and it is known for its reliability and ease of use. It's a very latest language, and people might not aware about that, but it is a very good language for beginners if you want to try out. Number 5. Swift. Swift is a programming language which was developed by Apple and is used for developing iOS and Mac OS applications.